everybody, it's phonics time again. I saw some really fantastic phonics last week, and this week we're finishing off group 3. So today we need to firstly remember groups 2 and 3. So far, we need to learn our new letter. And last, you're going to be doing an activity of reading and matching the words which start with our sound. So let's get cracking. I would like you to pause the video here and remember the sounds that we know from groups 2 and 3. Pause the video. Now that you've sounded out all of the letters, we can move on to the next job. I'm introducing the sound today. It might be tricky to hear that sound over the computer because some sounds like that get a little bit lost. So make sure you've got a grown-up there with you that can sound out for you so that you can hear it clearly. Watch me carefully to see our gesture for say and gesture it with me. One more time. Like at the start of the word fish. The children are on the beach. They're making sandcastles and swimming in the sea. One of the children has an inflatable fish. While they're playing, they hear a sound, and the fish begins to deflate. Oh dear, it's the air coming out that's saying from the fish. Is quite a tricky letter to write, and so we'll practice it together in a moment. But first, I'd like you to listen carefully to me and see if you can blend the words that I'm saying. Are you ready? What am I talking about? Fun. What am I talking about? Ag. Did you hear the word? Flag. Flag, like this girl here who's putting flags in her sandcastle. Here's the next one. What am I talking about? You might not be able to see it. Soft. 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 And here's the last one. Try and blend together what I'm saying. Fluff. Maybe you can see something fluffy on the screen. I can't see anything today that is fluffy. Now we need to practice writing together. Like I say, it is a tricky one. I need to turn my battery on. Hold on. So, make sure you have your pencil and your paper ready. F is tricky because it's not quite a tall letter and it is a tail letter. So, let's practice it without the line to start with because the line does make it a bit confusing. Here we go. We start at the top It's a little bit like a S, but long. Watch me first. Try with your magic finger. Point at the screen and write . Keep your magic finger up and point as I do another . Let's go. Try another one on your page. Let's do another one. Because f is so tricky, I'd like us all to do 2 more, please. 2 more f shapes. Let's go. Here's the first one. Now do 1 more. If you're still finding it tricky, then it's a good idea to do a couple more f to practice. If you think you've got it, well done. You could have a go at putting it over the line. It might look something like this. I'm going to do 3 so that I'm sure that I've got it. You can too. Now remember back to last week, we were practicing writing our names on the line. Make sure today that you write your name on your page where you've practiced your f so that I can see that it's your job. Maybe pause the video now and write your name. We're moving on to the game, What Am I Talking About? Your job is to listen carefully and to point to the picture that I'm talking about. Are you ready? Let's go. Og. The frog. An. Fan. It. Fit. Ip. Flip. Now you know that the pictures are flip, fan, frog, and fit. Listen again. We're going to try again. What am I talking about? Fan. Ready for the next one? Ip. Flip. It. Fit. Og. Frog. Now it's your turn to sound out the word. First, I'd like you to sound out one with 3 sounds. And that word is fan. Sound out fan now. You should have sounded out ah. Let's do it together. Ah. Now let's do another one which has 3 sounds. Fit. Sound out fit now. You should have sounded out it. Let's do it together. It. Let's try the ones which have 4 sounds. Flip and frog both have 4 sounds. Let's start with flip. Sound out flip. That one is really tricky because it's hard to hear all 4 sounds. Let me do the gestures with you to help. I. Try sounding out flip on your own again now. Sounding out flip. I. The other picture with 4 letter sounds is frog. Let me help you with frog. Watch my gestures. Here we go. Frog. O. G. Try sounding out frog on your own now. Let's sound it out together. O. G. Now that you know that these pictures are flip, fan, fit, and frog, your job is to read the words and match them to the pictures. You can do it here now if you like, or you can do it on our Class Dojo worksheet. Well done everyone, now you know the sound. See you tomorrow.